Every morning is a beautiful morning. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 things that I choose to do every morning to stay healthy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nilima Joshi. I hope you all are doing good. If you are new here, I create content on health, food and self-growth. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Morning is like a fresh start. It's like a new chapter in life. There is something magical about the sunrise and the hope every morning brings. Morning allow you the time and space to work on things that are really important. It is said that it is the time our brain is the sharpest and fresh after a good night's sleep. The natural light is good for our body. It's very soothing for the eyes, for lungs, for the entire body. Most of the successful people talk about their 5 a.m., 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. morning routine, and I know it is the best one can achieve. But I think everybody has their own way of starting their morning. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 things that I choose to do every morning to stay healthy. I have been trying to include these since a very long time, and now I have come to a point that I do these things on almost all the days. Just to give a disclaimer that every day is not same. The moment I get up, I start my day with being thankful to the Almighty for my body, my health, my family and my life. I thank God for everything that I have in my life. Let me tell you what happens when we express gratitude. Our brains release dopamine and serotonin. They are happy hormones. So once we express gratitude, we feel really good. It enhances our mood. Second thing is hydration. Plain water or any concoction drink is a great way to start your day. Few people prefer having coconut water as well. Here I am starting my day with a plain glass of water. Our body is mostly dehydrated for 8 to 9 hours of sleep. That is why it is really important to start your system by a plain glass of water. As we all know, during the night time or the time that when we are sleeping, our body tends to reset the entire system, which releases toxins. And having water first thing in the morning helps us clear those toxins from the body. Third is journaling. It is a practice of keeping a diary that explores thoughts and feelings surrounding the events of your life. Though I'm not a pro at it, but I just try to write whatever comes in my mind. It makes me feel good. It helps me connect to myself better. Planning. This word is quite overrated and it feels overwhelming to a lot of us. My mom has been doing this, my dad does it, and I'm sure your parents must be doing it since a very long time. Here I am planning my entire day in this amazing planner by Saloni Srivastav, my mentor. And I really like this planner. I like how it makes me feel. I like to plan the entire day, week, month and the entire year in this planner. So I'm just planning what all is to be done in the entire day, my meetings, my client meetings, my office work, and I often do my meal planning in this. It is a great way to at least be organized for the entire day. This way you do not feel overwhelmed in the entire day. You don't feel that you are rushing here and there or you haven't done anything. And trust me, the feeling of just checking things, it makes me feel good. Do try it. I'm sure you'll also feel good. Fifth and the last thing that I do in the morning is breathing. So I have a very minimal routine of breathing exercises. Sometimes I like to work out also, but it depends on my schedule. I haven't come to the point where I manage to work out in the morning, but I'm still trying. But I generally work out in the evening. I prefer to do 5 to 10 minutes of breathing exercises in the morning. It can be anything. You can get it online. There are a lot of pranayams available online and you can practice them. I'm just doing a basic inhale, exhale, Anulom Vilom and Kapalbhati. Trust me, it makes me feel really good. It makes me feel so fresh. I feel so happy, so good after doing this in the morning. A lot of you actually would like to work out in the morning, but I don't get time for that. So I've been trying to do, but 10 minutes of breathing works well for me. So these were the 5 things that I do in the morning to stay healthy, and I have been feeling a lot better since I have been practicing it. And it's been almost a year that we all have been working from home, and somehow I feel that doing these things make me feel healthy and sane. Actually, I feel a lot more better when I'm doing these things. in comparison to days when I'm not able to do. Of course, there should be no pressure. You should obviously take one step at a time. You can start with just one habit, then inculcate other habits. And there are days when I don't do anything, and there are days when I do something more than this also. So this was something that I thought would be really helpful for you guys. Trust me, if you start your day in this way, you will feel really good and you'll stay healthy. That was all about this video. These were things that I prefer doing. Do let me know in the comment section if there's something that you do specifically in your morning routine, or something that you feel is good to make you healthy. I would love to know that, and I would love to inculcate it in my routine as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you next Wednesday with the next video. Bye bye.